Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the exact essentials so the setup works right away. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is updated and the region is set to Japan. This enables Suica/Pasmo options. Open Wallet, Tap Plus, and choose to add a credit card or a transit card. If you plan to use transit, add Suica or Pasmo now and top it up with a supported card. Once done, confirm Face ID or Touch ID. This secures payments and speeds transit gates. Now you'll handle the more detailed configuration that makes daily use seamless. Add a Suica or Pasmo by choosing transit card and wallet, then transfer an existing card or create a new one and add balance. Add a credit or debit card next. International cards work but may need bank verification. Make sure to set express transit for gate taps so you don't authenticate each time. Also adjust default card order and payment priorities so the right card charges for transit versus store purchases. Finish by practicing real-world use and a single troubleshooting tip you'll rely on. To pay or ride, hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the ticket gate or terminal. With express transit, you'll pass without Face ID. Reload balance in wallet at machines or convenience stores. Monitor balance and transaction history. If a payment or tap fails, first check NFC is on, confirm your Japan region, verify the card status and sufficient funds, then restart the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.